Adding frequently bought together products to your product pages is a great way to provide some social proof to your customers and buy more than one product at a time. This will increase your revenue by anywhere between 15 to 25%, according to the experts. So let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to my website. The link is in the description below for the plugin. It's not free, but it is super powerful and most certainly should increase your revenue. So there's 3 ways to build out a bundle. The first and most powerful way is to make a custom one for your product. So what we're going to do is we're going to head to the product, hoodie with a zipper, and right here you can see that there is some automatic suggestions. So if you were to not do anything, it would just show this if you had it selected in the settings, and we'll show you how to do that later. But we're going to want to build a custom one. So now you can change the title so it doesn't say frequently bought together. You can change it to whatever you want. But here we can add a cap. And we can add a belt. And as you see, it is super easy to add and remove, and also to sort it however you like. This way you can create custom frequently bought together sections per product. Now, if you're happy with your selection, you can just update it. Go to the front end of the product. Now this is with Astra theme, and it's right there. Now, if you want to change this border and some of these colors, you can just go into your dashboard, go into hover over product bundles, settings, and this is where you can change the color, what type of border. So we'll change it to dash. We can enable the frequently bought together plugins. We can add a global discount. So I'll add an additional discount to whatever's on sale, or as long as they purchase it as a bundle. Let's go ahead and hit save. And we'll head back to that product real quick. And now you can see there's a border, and we could also change all the other colors to whatever you like. Now that we toggled on the automated frequently bought together, I'll show you what that looks like. And we'll go back into edit product. Toggle on frequently bought together, custom off. And now this is the one it automatically generated. Again, hit update. View products. And as you can see, it's now automatically populating this with what it thinks is the best combination. Now, unless you have a whole bunch of his sales history, I would definitely stick with doing custom, or another way, which will again show you another way to create bundles. And you see that variations also are supported. So the third way we can make a bundle is really how you create bundle deals. So this will override for all 3 of the products. It is the primary bundle when it is active. So let's do hoodie. And then you can change the name of it, the title there as well. So let's do beanie. Hoodie. So zipper. And we'll put that first. And let's go ahead and do belt. Now you can do a variation, which is hoodie. I'll just show you this real quick so you know you can do it. You can configure what variations you want for this specific thing, for the specific deal, sorry, and do it however you like, but we're not going to do that for right now. Now you set a percentage or a fixed amount. We'll do $20. You can set a start and end date, and active or not active, we'll leave it active. You can even put a category and a priority. So if you have more than one, including the beanie or another product, you can set that priority higher, and it'll obviously show that one. So again, we'll hit save bundle. And let's go ahead and now view the product again. Now you see that bundle with a discount added on top of that. Now they hit this one button, adds all that to the cart, and automatically displays the bundle discount and all 3 products in the cart. As I say, this is super powerful and super easy to use. It also works with another one of our plugins, We have a sales scheduler program to manage your discounts or sales. And if we go there, we can add a bundle, create, search for it, add it, and there you can control whenever you want this deal to go active. Now, after you've had all this active for a while, you're going to want to see how it benefits you, and you can do that through the bundle analytics. This is a fresh store, so you're not going to really see anything, but you saw that I added that bundle to my cart, but they have not actually, I didn't go through the whole purchase product. And then you'll show the ratio and the compare, how many times is in the cart, the conversion rate, and all kinds of other good analytics to help you decide if that bundle is actually working for you or not. It's a very powerful tool. As you can see, the Frequently Bought Together plugin is very powerful. There's also other ones out there that you can try if you like. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.